Welcome back to KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 34. Men, we are going to battle. Some of us will join the great army in spirit before the sun rises again. But I, for one, am willing to die for the empire. I am ready to die here today, among you men of honor. I may be your king, but I am just a vessel of purpose, a vessel born to the royal lineage. And that is why I'll lead you into this battle. It is my great purpose. I am ready. I fight today knowing that the great Chunga fights with me in spirit. The great Chiwundura fights with me in spirit. My great army fights with me. And despite the bloodshed that runs on our plain today, the Roji shall emerge victorious. They are not from here. They do not know what we know. Their ancestors are across the waters. They cannot protect them here. Now let loose your fears. Step into the grounds with your bare feet so you can feel the presence of our ancestors as we march forward and show our pale visitors just how unwelcome they are. With his spear arm in the air pointed towards the direction where the foreign tongue raiders had set camp, Changamire looks forward and starts pacing. Join us tomorrow for another episode of KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.